Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the patch type and dosage so you know how long it works and any timing restrictions. Once done, choose a clean, dry site, upper arm or chest, and remove oils or lotions. That improves adhesion and absorption. Make sure to wash and dry your hands, peel the backing carefully, and press the patch down for 10-30 seconds to set the adhesive. This first application sets the rhythm for correct dosing and reduces early peel-off problems. Next, monitor how the patch performs and how your body responds. Keep a simple note of the hour applied so you don't overlap doses. Many patches release actives over specified hours. Check the site each day for irritation and rotate locations to avoid sensitization. Also, avoid direct heat like saunas or hot baths because heat increases absorption and can raise side effects. If the patch loosens, press it back down or replace it per instructions to maintain consistent delivery. To finish, remove the patch at the recommended time and fold it sticky side to sticky side before disposal to prevent accidental exposure. Once removed, cleanse the area gently. If mild redness appears, monitor for 24 hours. If you experience intense itching, swelling, or breathing changes, stop use and contact a clinician immediately. If the patch peels off prematurely, check the product instructions. Some allow a single replacement within a limited time frame, while others require waiting until the next scheduled application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.